Make sure to stay till the end. It could be something completely different that most people never think about it, guys, and if you don't do it right, you may just waste your money. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger, and if you guys have check engine light on and code P0023, stay with us, we'll explain what can easily cause that. Make sure to stay until the end, because some of the things that can cause that code is practically, guys, not related to the sensor itself, and that way you will not waste your time and money, guys. So we're going to cover very helpful information that can save you time and money. So let's talk about that now. So before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, guys, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you need to buy any parts, tools for your Dodge Challenger or any car, you want to save quite a bit of money, get them at a really good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So this is, guys, a 2018 Dodge Challenger that we have right here. This is the 3.6 VVT engine, but even if you have a different engine, procedure is about the same, okay, as well. Now, a few things that we want to show you here, guys. First, the scanner that we use. Many people ask us about the scanner, what we recommend. This is it, guys. It works on almost any car you can think of, guys. Okay, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, you can see right here, but that scanner, it can pay itself off in one-time use. What I like about it, you can access every computer system, read the lead code, see live data. Practically almost like dealer level equipment without a programming component, which most people will almost never need. And on a simple car like that, often you may have up to 20, 30, even 40 computers, guys. So definitely you need that system, okay, to fix your problems. But that called P0023, what it means that you have problems with camshaft position actuator number 2, bank 2. If you look at your engine, guys, we have the air intake hose right here removed, but this is cylinder head number 1, this is cylinder head number 2, also known as bank 1 and bank 2. The engine computer right here treats these two cylinder heads like separate engines. And right here on cylinder head number 2, the second sensor, this is on the exhaust side, not on the intake side. This is, guys, okay, right here, camshaft position actuator number 2. If you have problems, guys, with code that relate to that sensor, okay, what it could be: number 1, inspect the wiring harness to make sure that it's not contaminated with engine oil or dust, dirt, water, anything like that. Make sure the wires are not pulled out of the connector, because people will try to disconnect it and they will just get it the wrong way, pull for the wires and damage the connector. Number 3, it could be, guys, a bad camshaft actuator, and if you want to see how to test it, we'll have a video how to test camshaft actuator on our channel, so please check it out. Number 4, it could be, guys, okay, problems with the variable timing sprocket right here on the inside. But that sprocket, guys, okay, in order to remove and replace it, you need to take almost the whole engine apart, remove the timing chain, okay, and that's a big job. But if you get to that point where you replace that thing and it still does it, okay, you check the wires, everything is good, you don't have any oil leaks here that can contaminate the wire, we recommend to do an engine flush like this one. This saved many BMWs that we worked on having, okay, variable timing codes like that, and they use almost the same system as well. And this is amazing stuff. We have a video, guys, okay, does leaky moly work on Porsche Cayenne? It hit 190,000 miles, and believe me, okay, that engine was almost like new when we opened it after the flush. Something else, okay, always change the oil filter after the flush as well with a good quality oil filter. Use the right viscosity of engine oil. If you use the wrong type of engine oil, that can set these codes as well. And always use good quality oil. Leaky moly, the German one, is probably one of the best ones that we had our hands on based on our experience here at the shop, guys. Now, if you still have problems, it's possible you have a bad camshaft sprocket, variable camshaft sprocket, and if you want to see the video, it will be on our channel how to change it step by step, taking the timing chain off and all that stuff. So if you need help with anything, have any questions, let us know. Please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.